Datang ingay niya dalawa. Gusto nang lumabas. Ay, maglinis ako ng cage. I'm cleaning your cage. Go out. Go out. Go out now. Go. Jump. Jump. Go, ang cute mo. Ang cute. Come here. Come girls, come. Diyan ka lang muna sa labas. You stay there, okay? Go wild naman to. Come. Nanibago. Come here. We play first. Rooster, come. Come here. Uy. You don't know how to jump? Come. Why you no jump? Gusto na niya pumasok. Ikaw naputad ka. Ano yung kinakain mo? Uy! Ang cute! Busog naman kayo. You're full ready, okay? Okay, Rooster, go inside na. Uy, ang ingay mo. Why you're so noisy, ah? You're happy? Can go out? Go in, go in. Go in. Go in. Good job. Okay, stay there. We can start working. Rooster na to. Ingay. Come here, come here. What's that? Ah, she see the worm. Ay, don't go out. Don't come out. Take no ni leaves. Uy. Wow. You like to lay egg again? Like to lay egg already? So cute. Rooster, where are you? Uy. Come. So, okay, bye na. Okay, go working.